Hi, and welcome back to Jazz Pure Tarot channel. Today I will be doing some um, talking and doing the horoscope, tapping into my audio audience and skills. And I would like to talk about the Death card. Today, this is the card today, the Death card. This card usually means change, a time to reflect. Instead, actually, it's like ending a cycle, transformation, um, transition into a new state, sudden change of your old self and being and experiencing your new self. The experience can be saddening, painful, and also to accept the inevitability of the ending, accepting and recognizing the necessary of ending, which allow us to open new doors. So that is the card of the day today. And I'm going to go ahead and starting with the Aries sign, tap into my colonial audience. I wanted to mention Aries horoscope today. You might want to spend a lot of time with family, friends. You might want to ask yourself, when was the last time you actually spent time with your family? Not doing chores, things like that, but actually communicating, doing things together. Maybe you just want to plan a family vacation, spend time with your family, go to the zoo, the park, play with your children if you have them. And if you're single, consider visiting a parent or sibling today. And also, talk will come easy. And yeah, this will actually encourage a bond with you and loved ones as well. So that was the Aries. Now we're going to go ahead into the Taurus, since today's horoscope. And I'm sensing that you might want to do some keeping mementos in a box or heliums of or scrapbooks of your family history. Also, take steps to record and save precious items and memories from parents, grandparents, siblings, and others. And don't forget your own history too. And one day you might be glad that you did. So that is for Taurus today. I'm going to go ahead and do Gemini's horoscope today. And happy birthday, Gemini. Also, it isn't easy to admit that you are wrong, and apologizing would be good today. Um, I see that you would have a boost of courage today. Rather just go around with regret. Um, the person, just make amends with them, regardless of any discomfort. You would definitely find that you'll feel a lot better afterward. Even if the other person isn't receptive, you will be able to say what you need to be said. And that is Gemini's horoscope for today. Now we're going to go ahead with Cancer. Cancer, I'm feeling that you are having dreams, a lot of dreams now. They can indicate unresolved issues, stress, deep desires, maybe lost memories. Also, understanding yourself and solving problems. Maybe you will want to keep a journal, like a dream journal by your bed. When you wake up, you can write whatever it is that you remember. And also remember the power within your subconscious, and that you can learn from it. Also, just regroup with your dreams, your recent dream. And if there's something that you need to recognize, then just excuse me, jot down whatever it is that you need to exercise and regroup. And that is for Gemini today. Now, Cancer, I would like to go ahead and I'm feeling that you're having random neurons, fringe dreams. I'm indicating that If something needs to be confronted, you can go ahead and do it now. And we're going to go ahead and set into Leo. Leo, your dreams, I'm sorry, Leo, communication. If you try lately, it's maybe under the influence of stress, it would be wise to actually talk to someone about the stress, about your worry, your anxiety, and your fear is actually complaining, physically draining you out, and emotionally too. And you don't want this to happen, and you want to take care of your health as well. Um, Talking is the key to most, if you're feeling worry, anxiety, fear, and it's a big drain on yourself. And also just try to find a way not to drain your energy so much. Now we're going to go ahead into Virgo's horoscope, which is going to be a good day for your thoughts, for you to express your thoughts and your feelings. And it might be a work that requires instruction communication than usual. Also, if you want, you can consider this as you go about your day. And that's it for Virgo, Libra. I'm I'm feeling that you're spreading the affection today, and it's also been a while since you let people know that you care about and appreciate them. Maybe a phone call, a letter, flowers, things like that to express your feelings towards them. Maybe you take somebody out for a surprise lunch, dinner, something special for a friend, make emotional, as well as in, in I can't even get the word out. Um, just express yourself on an emotional level with a friend that you haven't showed affection in a while. Now I'm going to go ahead with Scorpio. Scorpio, if problems comes today your way, look for the simplest solution. Um, Try to keep your emotions out of problems that require calculation and thought. Also, observe and view. Um, it keeps you from seeing what's right in front of you. Meaning, dig into your strengths, and everything should be rule things out. And we're going to go ahead with the Sagittarius sign today. Sagittarius, it would be a good day to speak your mind. Um, but even if you face situations that you feel intimidated and you're hesitant to speak up, um, there's nothing that you cannot handle. Try to make a move to talk to whoever you need to talk to, him or her. And we're going to go ahead with the the Capricorn. Capricorn, I'm feeling that and communication today is difficult for you to express. Your true feelings will be a welcome change for you. Consider things over with anyone you have unresolved issues with. Also, you will be at with strength and confidence today. You should be able to work the problem out quickly and painlessly. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and Aquarius. Aquarius, I'm feeling that something's been bothering you today, and it is a good time to work it out, resolve whatever it is that you has been bothering you, whether your problems have to do with at work, your boss, a colleague or a relative. Communicate your thoughts and feelings, and don't hesitate to speak your mind. Um, and last but not least is the Pisces. Pisces, you can be quite reclusive when it comes to expressing your feelings. Today may be the exception, and the after can bring real strength to your communication abilities. You You'll be wise to seize the opportunity. Take steps to express your feelings by initiating conversation. Words will come much more easily than usual. If there are problems to handle, you will likely find resolutions like you always do. Now, I do want to mention that overall, the horoscope for today, all the signs are dealing with communication, organizing your family, just getting through what you need to get through to get to the next. I decided to do this audio clairsentience, reading people's cards. I'm a horoscopes without cards today, and I hope that everything that I can say today will help you along your day today. And if you do one-on-one reading, please email me at justpuretarotreadings@gmail.com. And I'm having a special for June. On any type of readings will be $20 via PayPal, Cash App, and whatever it is. Also, I must apologize because I do my readings every day. Last 3 days, my voice went, so I could not do anything. So I would like to thank you. Subscribe, share this video as much as you can. I thank your support, and you have a very, very wonderful day. And later on today, I will be doing tomorrow's horoscopes, or maybe later on today, since I did today's well, actually I did today's horoscope, so tonight later on I will be doing the reading cards. So we're gonna go ahead, and I thank you so much, and you have a very, very wonderful day. And thank you.